I think I just found the safest meme coin. Before we get started, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's make this money. I'm looking at AIXBT, and they just posted UFD found a new liquidity. And that's basically what matters in the game. It really does. So what is UFD? I go and I'm doing some searching, and this is from Ron's Basement. Now, I'm going to play some of these clips for you that are going to be really, really fast. And of course, this is going to be unedited, so I have to be very careful with what I play. But they are followed by a few people that I follow. And I see this as like Ron's Basement. Wait a minute, I'm subscribed to them on YouTube. And sure enough, here they are. They don't even know I'm making this video. Here's Ron's Basement. So this guy's doxxed. He shows his face. He talks about gold and silver. And again, none of this is financial advice. Here's the contract address. Then they post not only the contract address, but also an email. And then, of course, for snail mail. This, in my opinion, I've never seen anything like this before. It's somebody from, well, one, that I know from YouTube. Two, it's not a celebrity who's going to dump on you. And not only that, but he shows you the dev wallet address. Definitely follow my buddy. He doesn't know me, but definitely follow my buddy. I watch him. Follow my buddy. Make sure to like, subscribe to his YouTube channel as well. Now, in addition to this stuff, as I'm going down here, I'm looking and just seeing as far as the post, if there's engagement, how many views it's received. And as I'm going down here, I see this video. And I'm not going to play it per se, but let me see here. So what I'm doing is I'm actually just confirming that this is the real person, that this is not like a scam or anything like that. Now, again, not financial advice. Always do your own research. And what I want to do is I want to show you that, of course, he talks about gold and silver, coupling handles, and then the actual pattern itself, just a few hours ago, is doing a cup and handle. We're going to show you the chart. Here's the chart right here where it did the cup and handle. It broke out, retesting beautifully. And he goes and he shows his chart. So I strongly recommend you watching this. So let's go put this on full screen. You can see some more information here. I just want to show you this. Then as you go down, of course, they have a lot of tweets and everything else. And the coin's name, let me see if I can just find it for you real quick. So here's something. Again, this is unedited. Founders that own UFD. We have Pungy Penguins, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Dogecoin, and the list is much larger than this. So we have big people in this. Now, granted, the market cap is very low right now. This coin is less than a month old. You are really early on this. And I want to show you, this is the name. Unicorn Fart Dust. It's a meme coin. Who doesn't like that name? I do. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments. Do you like that name? I think it's genius. Then they have more videos down here. I strongly recommend watching these videos. It gives you a lot of information as far as the coin goes. I've been watching a bunch of these videos the past about hour or so. And he talks about the community and everything else. So let's go ahead and look at some of these other ones. Now, in addition to this, I'm also going to show where you can get it at. Initially, I thought this was only available on a DEX, but it's not. So you can actually pick this up on an actual exchange. Here's Ron. It's Ron's Basement. And he talks about gold and silver. And then he created this meme coin. Oh, look at this, Binance. So here he's talking about Binance. Now I have this for you. This is from Binance. This is what Binance's website. And you can see it up here. Binance.com is not somebody who posted on one of their forums or anything like that. This is from the actual site. Binance.com. How to buy unicorn fart dust. And it gives you a walkthrough on how to buy this. I thought maybe this was just going to be some kind of forum that somebody posted, but it's actually from Binance.com. To me, I think that is absolutely huge. Then we're going to go over here. Again, this is unedited. Let me know in the comments if you prefer these unedited videos or if you like them to be edited. And let's see here. Anything else? I don't think so. So here, more talking about Binance. And let me go ahead and find one more video for you, because I do think, let's see, I believe it's this one. So here he's talking to big people, and the more communities, and he's on different podcasts, different YouTube videos. He's doing collabs with other people. So what that's doing, it's actually getting the word out to more people. And that's what you want. You want more, you want a bigger audience. And then here it talks about which meme coins are undervalued. This one's only 130 market cap. And I think this one is really good. He gives you the dev contract address. He gives you the information. So look at this. So here, I believe I'm coming up to the video, and let's go. It's not this video. It's, I believe, this video. So let's see here. So of course, he's talking about the coin again, and I'm almost there. Let me know in the comments below if you're okay with these videos being unedited. And let's go here, and I'm going to find this for you really quick. And here's Ron on another show. He's on quite a bit of shows. And there's one more clip that I want to show. I actually want to play it, but I can't because it has music on there, and I know I'll get copyright strike. But there's one more part. I'm going to show that. All right, so I finally found the video. I can't play the audio for you though. So here's a video, and they are looking at the coin, but I know it's a pretty bad quality, but hopefully y'all can make it out. They're actually talking about this coin. Let me know in the comments if you know why he is famous. Let me know in the comments if you know why he is famous. And he's talking about this coin. And of course, we have other people that are talking about the coin. And I want to play the audio, but I can't because it has the music on there, and I can't play the music. Now, where can we buy this? One thing I do want to show you is you go to CoinMarketCap, and here it is, Unicorn Fart Dust. You go to markets, and we have it on Radium, which this is where I thought it was only going to be. But you also have it available on MEXC and some other exchanges, but MEXC is where I'm going to be getting mine at. Of course, you can go to their website. You can go to the contract address. In my opinion, this, by far, is the only meme coin that I have ever seen that I feel very confident in. Could they rug? Sure. Do I think they will? No. Ron, he has his own YouTube channel. He's out there. He's giving you the dev wallet address to show you that he's not rugging on you. He's got other information here as well. And watch his videos, and you'll see his personality. This guy, in my opinion, is a good guy. So that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. My name is Joe, also known as TradeIntuition. I go live every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And then, of course, on Saturday and Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. As always, let's make this money. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.